Hi, I'm Tim Trimble from Kapitol Group. I'm one of the senior project managers.
And Daniel Doran here, director from TruSeal.
Passive fire is the physical things in the building that we do to fire rate between walls. So it's actually physical things that we put in place to stop fire spread.
Whereas active fire is like your suppression systems or your sprinklers or smoke detectors or something that activates under fire.
So some of the main passive fire elements are your fire rated walls, fire rated doors. Then also all of your penetrations through those areas have to be treated. And there's a lot of junctions between a fire rated wall and some of these things that commonly we find mistakes on site, and that's where Daniel comes in.
Some of the common issues that we see from a service penetration perspective is the systems installed aren't as tested, i.e. you might have a conduit that's passing through a fire rated wall. It's been sealed with acrylic sealant in lieu of using like a high pressure exerting sealant. So what you see up the conduits up through here are the dry fire conduits, and the way the service trade there is ran the conduit through the blockwork wall is just underneath the socks of feet there, and the issue comes that conduit there either needs a fire collar or a HPE sealant to achieve compliance.
So what we've done at the moment then is incorrect, so we're going to have to lower these conduits down enough that we can get either the seal or the collar around the conduits. So thanks for picking that up for us, Dan.
No worries. One service trade will come from another job and they'll have an understanding that what they've done on that job was right. On the previous job, the wall had an overall wall thickness of 100 mil, and on this job now, it's got a wall thickness of 90 mil. So then it becomes non-compliant.
So the key takeaways really would be to make sure whatever we're doing, it's got a tested solution, it's been tested, it's been put in the furnace, and we've actually got test certificates for it.
Yep.
To watch the size of the penetrations, really identify the key construction build-up of those walls, access to future to the dampers and the like. What else are some of the things that we should think about as builders?
I think where improvement needs to be made is probably to do with the education. So the building regs changed last year. They've put a lot more focus into passive fire and understanding not only requirements of what you're installing and what you're achieving by installing it, but two, what's its purpose and how can you do it compliantly.